I'll ask people in the comments. I'll ask people in the comment how much it is. Yeah. This is like to do how much is it to do a foot scrub? That's how much? 7 US. So it's like that's like how much US? 6 US? 5, 6 US. Yeah, family, so I'm getting a foot scrub. And I mean, as you know, my foot, as you know, I think everyone should do this. You know what I mean? No, I just think that, you know what I mean, when you look at some old man foot, when you get old, you never do this before. It's like your foot gets so. But I feel like, honestly, feel like if you're not walking barefoot, you have to do this. But I feel if you're walking barefoot, it's actually massage and reduce the plaque and all of these things and all these rough things. Yeah. Yeah.
So should I on the other side? I just wait for you. She comes and starts doing her thing. Hey, I've seen so that lady that was the ones that have done my hair. One has locks. One has locks. And it's younger than the other.
Yeah.
So the other one had nice cornrows, both the cornrows. They were neatly done. Now she was brown.
Oh yeah. Yeah, family. So we back, and as you can see, this is our like before and after. This is a before and after, right?
This is after. We did it before.
And let me see your nails. Yeah, family. How much was the? How much for your How much for your ear? How much was it?
In Kenyan shillings, 2,100.
That's how much. How much in US?
Maybe like 17. If I'm not wrong.
Like 17 US, and the nails was how much?
1,200.
1,200, and that's like maybe 9 US, family. So guys,
Also,
as
my toenails are done.
so the toenails was how much?
Everything was checked. Just 500 shillings.
So it's for the nails and toes, how much in total?
In total was 1,700.
Okay, that's like maybe 14 US. So it's 17 and 14 US, and my foot scrub was for like $7, $6 thereabout, family. So I just want to do this, you know what I mean, like normally in the West, if you're just like a regular person, you don't really do these things, you know what I mean. You just maybe your foot stay there and turn crusty and rusty, and you know what I mean, you know, as a female, you know, you're gonna do your hair, it's gonna cost you. These things are like, let us know in the comment box how much for a hairstyle like this in the West, in the US, and how much to do nails, and how much to do like toes and these things for females.
And you know here they charge.
Let me know.
That's 2,100. It's inclusive of everything.
Everything.
So I went with my hair dirty. They wash
Washing.
you so nicely. They blow dry you. Blow dry is the straightening of it. And then it's inclusive of also the braids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, family. So let us know in the comment box, family, how much for these things in the US, in the western side of the world. Let us know. And that's the reason why I do these videos, so we can compare things, and for people who want to actually come live in Africa.
Maybe
you
you
know,
should tell us how much is it in Jamaica.
well, if you're a Jamaican watching this, let us know.
Because obviously
You know, let us know in Jamaica, and convert it to US. You know, the dollar is high in those countries. Let us know, family. But the reason why I do these videos, family, is to let you guys understand, you know, that, you know, things that they do in the West, they can do it in Africa cheaper and better, for a cheaper price, family. Cheaper and better, family. So, you know, I mean, you know, why would you want to come to somewhere where you can get the best for a lower cost? Tell me now.
And then guess what? And then even this one that I've done, I've gone to a nice salon. So there are those salons like when I used to be at home.
Yeah.
This thing I used to be charged like 1,000 shillings.
Wow.
Just 1,000 shillings. So because now those are the salons in the what?
Yeah.
The outskirts.
Yeah, family. So let us know. I need to do a video for a subscriber who asks about retirement. They want to retire in Africa. They want to know how to go about it and stuff. So I'll make another video for that. But that's a lot of topics I'll have to touch on. And it's based on you and what you want and what you decide to do, family. So I'll touch on that. But for this one, I just want to end this vlog here to show you, like, you know what I mean, taking care of yourself and stuff is very relatively cheap. Labor cost is cheap and stuff. So if you need to do a business, it can really work out for you if you come to Africa. And, you know, first if you have like an international business that you want to hire locals, it will be so beneficial for you, because, you know what I mean, you will pay them more, but it still will be actually, you know, less to compare to what you'll pay a worker in the West, you know what I mean. Yeah, family, this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Like, share and subscribe to the video. I'm out. One love. God bless. Jamaica. And Miss Jam Tours, want to say something?
No, I was just saying
Miss Jam Tours. Miss Jam Tours searching for a new look, and I guess she find it.
Of course I did. I feel so nice. God, I was tired of my looks.
So you're gonna continue with this one?
Of course. I'm not doing vlogs anytime soon.
Okay. Alright, family.
You know why?
Alright, family. This is Jam Tours Africa. We are out. One love, Jamaica.